I'm a private individual. Private. Alright, got my car back. It's running pretty good. Start it up. Start it up. Where's the damn key? Oh, right here. It's running pretty good, but I had to take it to a Eurocode, and they did a few things and diagnosed the problem at the ECU. So the chip had soldered inside the ECU, so they had to take that apart, clean it off, and they said the car started. But first gear is real slow takeoff, and the foreman said that he test drove the car and everything is fine, but it's not fine. First gear, you have to hold your foot on the clutch too long. So I'm trying to take it back and get them to fix it correctly. But beside that, it runs pretty good.